guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly and today we will be prepping my RV for a 3,000-mile road trip down to Key West, Florida. This is our very first road trip. We have never traveled anywhere out of Houston, so I'm super excited. I'm kind of nervous because we have 4 people traveling. It will be me, Nam, and the 2 boys. No, we are not sleeping in the van, but as we all know, we're very limited with space in this RV, so we really have to maximize the most out of what we have. We will be on the road for about 7 days, so that means there will be a lot of clothes, snacks, water. We're bringing a lot of fishing gear and, you know, just all of the tools and accessories that we need. So we really have to be creative and maximize the most space out of what we have. So let's hop into the van and I'll show you how I'm going to kind of reorganize everything and set everything up. Welcome in, guys. We are Asian, so no shoes in the house, please. Come on in. This is our mobile home. It looks really good. It looks brand new still. We like to take care of our stuff. It looks like we just got this van yesterday, even though it's been a few months already. Can you guys believe that? You guys, so this is where the back seats are and or the bed, but essentially since we are not sleeping here, it's mainly used for traveling, especially on this Florida trip. What I am going to do is transform this into, you know, storage space. And by storage space, what I mean is where we're putting our luggage and stuff. Because as you know, there's not really a place to put my suitcase. We don't have the box carrier outside, which we do plan on getting. But you know, since we're leaving for a trip like tomorrow, that won't come in time. So what I am going to do, this is Nam's idea. We're actually going to remove both cushions because, you know, we're not going to be sitting here. The boys will be sitting on this because, you know, these have the belts and it's more safe. So we're just going to be removing both of these cushions, and I'm not sure if you guys know, but voila! We have Velcro here. So we are going to utilize that and we're gonna Velcro our suitcase on here so that it doesn't run around, it doesn't rattle, it doesn't go flying to the front. So yeah, that was Nam's idea. He's a mastermind. So I'm just going to move these out of the way. I'm gonna move these out of the way and I will be right back. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to figure out how to mount this suitcase down. Alright guys, so this is the setup. So you guys see, here is our Velcro and this is our suitcase. So I think we're going to mount it this way because I feel like if you do this, it will take up too much space and yeah, you can't really utilize the space for anything else. So I think I'm going to mount it here. No, we don't have clothes in here. I haven't packed yet, so I'll be doing that tonight. But I'm going to install or put on the Velcro first so that I have that ready. Okay, I guess there are 2 ways you can do this. Either you can just lay the Velcro up on here, cut it, and then apply it onto the suitcase. But I'm just going to shortcut it. I'm going to put the Velcro down first. I'll cut it and then slap the suitcase on there and cross my fingers that it will stay. So I think the suitcase is this big. We'll leave it like there. So just to be safe, I'll cut it around this notch or this screw. Okay, let's put this down. I think that was the screw. So let's put it like here. Grab my scissors. Let's just cut this boy. Right? Apply it on this side too. Let's cut this. Okay. And now I'm going to pull the plastic off of this to expose the adhesive. Open this, and I can pat it down from the inside. Guys, I think it's on there pretty good. So, oops. You guys, so now for this area under the TV, it's kind of an awkward space because this closet is here, so you can't really sit here. You don't want to put anything too tall, or it's just kind of awkward. So Nam came up with the idea to put down storage bins right here. So we actually have a few from IKEA. These are like literally $5 and they fit so perfectly. Let me show you. So they come like this. You can just fold it down when you're not using them. You can kind of just like store it anywhere because they're flat and they're super cute. So let's put this one together. These are actually Nam's. He's using them for his office, but since we don't have time right now, we're kind of short on time, we're just going to steal it and use it for the RV. So I think in the future we will sew in the Velcros so that it stays permanently, but for right now we're just gonna tape it and go. So I believe we can fit 4 in here like perfectly. Let me just arrange it. And these colors are so cute. They have so many colors and different options there, but they also do have 2 sizes as well. We got tricked before. So make sure that you grab the bigger ones. The smaller ones will do the job too, but it's just not as big. So this is the second one. I think this is like, I think we're going to put our snacks, water and stuff, because the boys will be sitting here, so they'll have a whole this whole area is like stuff that they can do to keep themselves entertained on the road. Nam is so smart. Look guys, that fits perfectly. Like, and it looks so good. Let me show you guys. Guys, look how perfectly that fits. That's so cute. Okay, so now that I have everything laid out, I'm just going to, I think I'm going to Velcro each individually so that if you need, you can just pull one off at a time and not have to pull everything out and apart. So let's make some space for that. Reach. I'll do the back first. I'll do this one just to show you guys, and then I'll do the rest and kind of like fast forward it or whatever. So just put this down here to here. And like I said, in the future, I will get it sewn in or something, or even just like staple it in so that it doesn't move. Pull the plastic liner off. And I'm gonna just put this on. And you can just go in and just flatten it on there so that it stays in place. And just like that, guys. All set. You guys, just like that, I'm already done. All I have to do is just throw all of our stuff in here now, and we are set to go. Guys, this is the setup right now. We have a lot of space still. I threw these paper towels in here, but of course I will fill more water in here in a little bit. But yeah, look. Wow. So that leaves these cabinets up here all available, and the closet. This is our shower. We haven't used it, so it's very, very clean. Open it up. And we actually turned the toilet around this way so that we have a little bit more space in here. But yeah, we don't plan on using it at all. And I really, really do not like these shower curtains. They came from the factory and it's just kind of dirty, so I'm just gonna remove it. Okay, now that I removed the shower curtain, it should feel a little bit more spacious, you know. On this trip, we do plan on fishing quite a bit. We are going to use this restroom area as a closet space for us. So I'm going to be putting our fishing poles and our fishing gear, tackle, and stuff like that in here. And I'm going to strap this to the shower head with the shirt. And I can strap these two shirts and hold that as much. Right. And then I have four smaller bowls that I'm going to put together. I'm going to strap these together. This. So, this is what we do more. So, and right in the space, Alright guys, so now that our restroom is fully packed, all of our stuff is in here. Our suitcase will be mounted later. That leaves these cabinets up here empty. So I actually have the boys put their clothes in here, and then we can close it up. I even have extra hats. I have my blanket over here right now. I'm going to be using it tomorrow, so I'll just leave it. I have extra hats, of course, for fishing. We have an extra backpack for drinks and stuff in case we go onto like a big bridge and we want cool drinks. And then we have our cooktop, which I'm leaving in there. Don't know why we have so many hats. I think it's because the boys always grab a new hat every time we go fishing. But yeah. Alright guys, well I have to go home now and finish packing up the rest of the stuff, but I think we did a really good job, and we really utilized all of the space that we have properly and very efficiently, which, oh my gosh, you guys saw how much space I still have in the closet, the upper cabinets and stuff. Like, we are really good. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys got a little bit of pointers and little hacks and stuff like that. Oh, I have a question. So our fire extinguisher always rattles, and it literally is so annoying. You hear that sound? That like high-pitched sound? I think it's this. I'm not sure. But it rattles so much. So we have to like wedge this towel in there just to kind of help it from rattling. But if anyone knows how to like fix this rattle, you guys gotta help a girl out and let us know in the comments down below, because this is not like the best fix. It works for now, but it's not permanent, you know. Well, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.